Heidi, kinakasal na tayo. Kasal na pala. Tignan mo sila ang saya-saya nila para sa ating dalawa. Nagbunga lahat ng pinagsamahan natin sa saya, sa ligaya, at sa walang sawang pagmamahalan nating dalawa.
Ooh, it's magic, magic all around us. I can feel it, that we're falling.
Today is not just our wedding day. It's also our 11th year together. Thank you for making me feel loved. Thank you for making me feel enough. For making me feel seen. With you, I feel safe.
With our eyes wide open, I can feel it, that forever's falling, falling into you, falling into you. 'Cause we're dreaming with our eyes wide open. Here under the stars.
Mga regalo ko sa inyo. BJ, mga regalo ko sa inyo. Gado, mga regalo ko sa inyo. Judy.
Oy, bubuksan na daw. Okay, ito.
Uy, talaga naman.
Susutan mo si Kuya Kuya Mark. Susutan mo na ba?
Oo, nakabakat yung ano yan. Nakabakat, madiin yan.
Victoria. Lore. Mama ni Jingjing. Eliza. Parang ang lungkot.
I promise to love you with patience, honesty, and a heart that will grow with you. I promise to listen, to hear your fears, your story, even the one you cannot say. I promise to fight for us. Kahit may bagyo, kahit may lamat, pipiliin kita.
Naalala ko noon nung nagkakilala tayo sa McDonald's. Diba, naiyak agad ako. Sa Santa Lucia, kinukurot mo na ako agad sa hita nun. Crush mo na yata ako agad nun eh. Doon nagsimula ang lahat.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so hard to fall so far, but I found heaven.
Pagkakaisang ipinapaabot, kaya ang kasal sa simbahan ginagawa. Para mag-asawa, sabi nga sa Ebanghelyo, ang pinagsama ng Diyos, huwag nang maghiwalay. Tingnan niyo mga ninang po ninyo, mga ninong po ninyo, mga magulang ninyo, hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin. Walang hiwalayan. Yan ang pinagsama sa simbahan.
What treasure waits within your skies? The gift of freedom, gold can't buy. I bought the world and
Kahit ulit-ulitin pa ang kwento ng buhay ko, kahit ibang panahon, ibang mundo, ibang pagkakataon, ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin ko.
Ikaw yung naging kadamay ko. Sino ba dapat? Ikaw lang naman yung palaging nandyan para sa akin. Kapag malungkot ako, at syempre, ikaw palagi ang kasama ko sa mga tagumpay ko. Kaya big shoutout sa ating dalawa, B. Lahat ng achievements nating dalawa.
Long before this day, I already made a promise to God that I will love you beyond the limits of time. I will stand by you, support you, and love you no matter what. It's been 11 years since the first I said yes to you. And even then, I already knew you were the one for me.
seeking for a better life for us. Hindi lang para maging asawa mo, hindi bilang good provider, loyal, respectful, and responsible, also your biggest supporter. At uunawain ka kahit sobrang magulo na at matanda na tayo. At iintindihin kita sa bawat pagsubok sa ating darating. I love you, B, for life, forever and ever. Love you.
Happy anniversary, B. I'm so happy that I get to spend my life with you. To go through everything together and to finally call you my home. I love you.